All right, we're going to do a test ride, Kevin is, on this Triumph that we've been working on. I sealed the exhaust pipe, which seemed to get rid of the popping and spitting. We put a larger pilot jet in it. We went through the carburetor for, actually we only went through it one time. So that's good. This is the one that has the blued left exhaust pipe. But we found out it came in with that blued left exhaust pipe. So we're not worried about that anymore. Plenty of compression, and it ran well on the stand the other day, but it's been sitting for 2 days. So it'll be interesting to see how the start goes. Okay, I was slow there because it fired up the first kick. I wasn't ready. I'm going to help him get it off. I'm going to help him get it off the center stand. So, off the center stand, revving it up, there you go. I hear a little breaking up as he's going down the road. Let's see how it warms up and whether it's that way when it comes back. Behind your right leg.
Oh, there it is. Way back there.
He hit it way back there.
That's right. She's good to go. Accelerates nice.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Shifts well. You know, coughed a little bit when we were first going, but I think she just has to remember she's a motorcycle.
I heard that.
But by the time I came around that big curve down there, no problem. Zip, she's gone.
Needed
yeah, downshifts well. When you come to a stop, she drops into idle nicely. Good to go. I take her.
Okay, good. So we are going to change out I've ordered the fork seals. We will change out the fork seals and we will take the front brake apart and lubricate the linkage. So the bike is basically roadworthy now, and we will finish up the forks and the front brake and let her go. Good. Thank you.